How to recover Netflix account without email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video on how you can recover a Netflix account without your contact information. In case you're unable to log in into your account because of your incorrect password or your username, and along with that you're unable to remember your contact information that is linked with your Netflix account, then what you can do is, in order to recover it without your contact info, first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in www.netflix.com/login help, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to this kind of interface such as forgot email or password. Now right over here you can see that would you like to reset your password. So you can see that if you remember your contact information, then you can just simply type in your contact info and then you'll be able to receive a recovery link. But then if you're unable to remember your contact info, then what you can do is simply, there's no option as I don't remember my email or phone number. Just click on the link, and then you'll have some alternatives such as you'll need to provide your first name on the account. For that you also need to provide your last name on the account, and then you'll need to provide the credit card or the debit card number on the file which is associated with your Netflix account. And after you're done providing all of these information, click on find account. Once you click on find account, it will usually take 24 hours to respond, and then you'll be receiving a recovery email, and after that you'll be able to recover your account. And that is how you can recover your Netflix account without email or your contact information. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.